The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good morning, guys. Very good morning. It is Tuesday, December 22nd. Aspen, Ray, James, good morning. Tony, Terry, Jacques, Chad, Randy, and Sue. Guys, good morning. Good morning. Today, we do have some news. Excuse me. I think we have GDP this morning. Yeah, we do. 8:30. We have Philly Fed Q3 reading of annualized GDP. I'm not sure what the numbers are yet. I care less about Red Book retail sales. 10 o'clock, we have November existing home sales. Let's see if it's up. It's not. It's not up yet, so I don't know what GDP, what they're expecting. Ray, good morning. Kieran, hubba hubba. George, good morning. Guys, good morning. Good morning. We currently have a bid. Let me see where we're at exactly. Take a look at the VIX. We are almost to Christmas, guys. Dow futures up 1 point. 1 point. S&P futures, call it 7, up 7. NASDAQ's up 63. Russell is up 4. NASDAQ's the leader, up 0.5% at the moment. VIX futures down 1.33%. And VIX cash is down 3.25%. Good morning, Chris. Todd, good morning. Guys, we had, and for those of you that may not, and there's 8 o'clock. For those of you that may not have been around, yesterday we had an absolute monster trade on the NASDAQ. It hit my final target at 702, which was ultimately good for 222 handles. 222 handles. That video is obviously posted on Vimeo and YouTube if anybody would like to see it. Just looking around real quick. We've got about 1,600 net buyers in the NASDAQ. NASDAQ is long. NASDAQ is long. Good morning, Kirk. We're going to have to get through 5960, but I have targets on the NASDAQ today at 74 area and 812. I would not be surprised to see 13,000 by year end. Crude has just a dump truck full of sellers. 4,800 net sellers right now in the overnight in crude. We do have buyers in the Russell, and we do have sellers in gold at the moment. 1,400 sellers in gold. Patrick, good morning. ES, couple thousand net sellers. Copper has sellers. Dollar index may have bid. Yeah, not really. Really small range on the dollar. In any event, Paul, good morning. Guys, we're here. We'll do what we do, which is try to make some money again. And then we'll get out of here. I don't have gold on yet. I'll wait for GDP. Gold is chopping around. I'm sure we're just waiting on GDP. If anybody has any questions, please feel free to ask. If you guys are here for the week, welcome back. We did not have a ton of trials this week. We did have a few. Remember, our week ends tomorrow. I will not be in on Thursday, Christmas Eve day, and obviously Friday, which is Christmas Day. Markets are closed, but I won't be here. If anybody has questions, please feel free to holler. We're going to sit here for 28 minutes. ES support comes in around 90, 91. If it pulls back, 3,700 is the current target on the ES. For those of you guys that trade ES, I'll give you some targets. Assuming we can get a trade. I think support will come in around 91. We could trade 37.10. Morning, Daryl. Take a look at gold. Largely sideways. If gold can get, let me see what we got on gold. I mean, we could trade to 96, 83 anyways, but we can get to 96. I don't know about today. Here's the NASDAQ currently. We've traded, now yesterday we came in, we traded over 150,000 contracts. Today we come in, we're a little above normal. 76,000 contracts have traded. Gold's traded a fair amount as well. There we go. Gold's trying here, fellas. Guys, let me quickly read the disclaimer and we will get on with it. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Lastly, past performance is not indicative of future results. Terry, I'm just going to ignore that question, as I did your last 3 emails. I'm not going there. I appreciate your enthusiasm, but you're going to have to wait. All things in time, my friend. All things in time. Good morning, Brian. Gold is trying to turn up on the 15-minute. Nice job, Brian. Nice job. You've been long since 7:30. I think we're going higher, fellas. Let me see if the GDP numbers on the site. No, still not. Probably around 8:15 I'll get it. See what we're looking for. We've got 82.7. 83.1. You're going to leave me one tick shy of my target? Seriously? No. Nah. I've got 80 buyers at 83. If you guys want to take some risk off, we've effectually hit. Yes, Tim. Yep. So, guys, this was a trade that entry was 80.2. You had almost 3 handles in it. one tick shy of 3 handles. And I think we're going higher. If we get above 83.3, 83.4, 83.5, that swing there, we're going to go right up to 84.6, 7 area. Nice job, Ray. Very nice, very nice. NASDAQ's longs, guys. NASDAQ's longs. It may pull back on us a bit, but NASDAQ is long. If we break out above 60, we go 71, 75, 83. ES 95 quarter if you're a breakout trader. $90 buyers at 83, 97. They bought 83 again. There you go. Got target. 83.2 target hit. We got to 83.3. 83.2 target hit. We're going higher. We're going up to that 84.6, 7. It's all on the flow, fellas. It's in the order flow, guys. I'm not doing anything magical.
According to Axios, Facebook will be offering some new account security options into 2021. Bravo.
That's the one. That's the one, Sue. Yeah, natural gas has got a nice bid. I haven't been watching it, but nice bid. Crude's just got a lot of sellers. No unfinished auctions. Don't forget you got an unfinished auction on gold to trade too. I don't track. I don't track the the order flow trades in the room, James, relative to a room P&L. But a lot, a fair amount.
Not overly volatile, but the S&P is pointing to a higher open of about 0.25%. The Nasdaq 100 futures up 0.5%. We're looking at better than 1% gain for the CAC 40, the DAX, the Spanish IBEX, the FTSE.
Guys, news in 3.5 minutes or so. James, I get lucky. Guys, order flow is not that difficult to learn. If it were up to me, I would encourage every single trader in this room to learn to trade using order flow. Once you can do that, you guys can trade 24 hours a day, whether it's the yen at night or the euro or whatever.
5 years. The UK saying they want about a 25% reduction in the quota over a 7-year period.
All right, fellas. 3 minutes to GDP. So anybody that took that gold trade, you guys are on the board? Made some dough? Nice job, Joe. Nice job. Look at that. What do we got going on here? Well, thank you. Guys, it's my job, fellas. That's my job. Help you guys make money while we're going through this. Hey, Ray, and he emailed me. Yep. He did email me, Ray. And I emailed him back this morning. What room is he in? I don't even know what that is. I don't even know that. Oh, they don't trade? All right, guys. A couple minutes here to news. We'll see what we get. We'll let it shake out a bit. If you guys like the ES 95 quarter, it's a breakout trade.
Third quarter GDP reading, U.S. report expected 33.1%. Advance reading. Personal consumption expected 40.6%. Price index expected 3.6%. For PCE, quarter over quarter expected 3.5%.
94, you're long? Yeah. I think it's going. I don't see a short. I don't see shorts, guys. I think we go crazy. We shall see.
Data just a few seconds.
All right, guys. Almost there. 1 second. 8:30. It's 8:30. Guess they're late.
So winning GDP.
94, 95 quarter is your entry on for me on the ES. I've never seen this. We're 30 seconds late. Maybe the government shut down. Hacked by Russia. Exactly. No, it's 8:30. Wow. Minute late. Maybe it's like trading places. The guy's on a train somewhere.
Philly Fed reporting non-manufacturing regional business activity at minus 26.8.
Philly Fed minus 26.8. It's a miss. New orders down 4.5. Here we go. To beat 33.4. To beat. Personal consumption, I'm waiting on. Waiting on personal consumption.
Q3 final GDP 33.4%.
The funniest thing I've seen. I've never seen this, guys. We're now 2.5 minutes late on the news. Boy, this is not an event. Thanks, Terry. But I have squawk. I have squawk.
Canada average earnings up 5.9%.
I'll hear it when they say it. Guys, there you go. 41%, it's a beat. Price index, core PCE is what I'm interested in. That's 1/10 lower. 1/10 lower on core. That's the number we're interested in, core. Guys, when I'm in the room every day and I'm chatting with you, I'm also listening to Squawk all day long. I get news generally, within seconds of it happening. So, okay. That was a fine how do you do. I guess I'll go ahead and turn my bots on. Gold is now on. Morning, Johan. On the bot. Got nothing on gold. Which is obviously in longs. Boy, this is slow. We're still, you're long 84.2. Nice trade. Bonds are one tick from that first target. NASDAQ. I mean, we're still slow, fellas. Really slow. We'll see what we get at the open. Anybody have any questions? It's on Vimeo and it is on YouTube, Marco. It's already loaded to both those, Vimeo and YouTube. All right, guys, we've got about 6 minutes, 5.5 minutes. NASDAQ still has 1,000 net buyers. You have small 1,100 just over net sellers in the ES, but they're buying them back. In this current 15-minute candle, they bought 1,300 almost. Ten seconds, guys. 10 seconds. We're off. We're off. I would expect NASDAQ to bounce 08 area. There's 12, 10. We're at 8. We're at VWAP, guys. Let them sell them. I don't care. Let me get some bots on. Or the rest of them, anyways. There you go. Now we could come down 95. No buyers yet. Small buyers, but not enough that we want to get in. Not yet. And we got 95. This may be an area right here, back up to 05. Still selling them on the open. If we come below 87, we're going to come 82. That is a large candle. They've sold them almost all back. 270, 280 left to go. We came 82. Bonds got first target on the bot. Bonds have first target. First target's off. Break even +1 on the bot on ZB. I think we're going back to 17, 12 and then 17. 12 and then 17. See if we make one more push down. If we hold that low at 83, we have a long. Still selling. It'll be on my screen, so pay attention. Not yet. All right, guys, you can take a long on a move above 03. So far it's holding. Got a higher low. We still have sell pressure. I'd like to see that 79.80 area tagged. Down below 300 buyers. To below 260. Still sell pressure. back above 300. Not yet. Not yet. Down below 200 net buyers. Okay, we've tagged this area here. Bounced off it. This could be about where we want to be. Some buyers coming back in. All right, guys. No, back below 300, 250. I'm watching Delta. $73, $74, I think is probably where we want to be long. All right, new candle. Got a hold of 80. Still not yet, fellas. No damn buyers. Really like to see this breached. 78. All right, I'm going to try a long.
Order filled.
I'm long. I don't know why it's not showing up on the screen. Your long here, guys, is 87, 88. With the first target at 99. First target is 99. First target is 99. All right, guys. So we got our first target at 99. Next target up 18. Got buyers back in. If you guys want to put your stop at, we got to get through VWAP at 6, but it should do it. Got buyers, small sellers in here, 4. Now buyers back again. Come on, NASDAQ, let's go. So the bot has first target. I'm just going to put that way out. Bot's got first target. Next target up is 18. Break here. Let's go. Oh, you had him. Back up to 700 almost net buyers. Got to come through VWAP. It's fighting the 50 moving average on the way back up. Almost a second target at 13.5 points on the bot. Missed second target. Nope, it's going to get it by 2 ticks. It's fighting VWAP here, which is also a 50 period moving average, guys, on a 15-minute. There you go.
Target filled.
Second target filled on the bot on the NASDAQ Uniranko. Next, my target, guys, the bus ends at 18 unless you want to try to ride it to 37. Now I want to see that 98 area hold right here. That's got to hold for me or I kill it. I still think we're getting 18, guys. 88.5 to 18. Got to come back up through VWAP. 8.5. This has to hold right in here. If it starts to break lower, we kill the trade.
Stop filled.
You can kill it if you want. Out on the NASDAQ bot. Come on, get your keister up there. Let's go. One more 30 range. Come on, let's go, Naz. Got to break 8.5. My moving average is trying to go blue. It's trying to turn up, guys. We're about 600 net buyers. 10, 12 net sellers in this candle. Break VWAP.
Order filled.
All right, we got a short on gold on the bot. Trying to do 10 things here at once. Here's the bot short on gold. So what I'm going to do, make that a 2.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
Put this at 18. And here's gold. Okay. That'll leave 1. Come on, rat bag. Let's go. 18. Almost 700 net buyers. 670, 680, 750. Here we go. Be a 30 handle trade if we can get that. And then you've got, if you guys are going to try to run any, the next target up will be 37, 32, 32.
Order submitted.
Here.
I'm at the top there, a little more 50.
Come on, get up here. Let's go. We got 1350. YM's turning up. I'm not watching YM, but it's turning up. Gold is hanging out below VWAP. That should come down. Come on, NASDAQ. We've got 825 now net buyers. Now below 800. Some selling. 750. $750. 700. Back to 750. Here it goes. There you go. Come on. Oh, pop them. You got them. 780. Next candle in 44 seconds. I'm watching a 3-minute. Top of this 15-minute candle, fellas, is 20. So we go next candle if we're going to go on the 15-minute. Here we go. Pump up the jam, baby. Pump up the jam. Come on. I think we double topped it. Here it goes. There it goes. 10 seconds. Next candles all the way around. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. New candles all the way around. Now go. Are you shooting me? You're not going to leave me hanging. Come on. Come on.
Order filled.
Booyah. 30 handles, fellas.
Order canceled.
30 handles. 30 handles, guys. 30 handles. Thank you, Brian. Guys, if you ain't making money, you ain't taking trades. If you ain't making money, you ain't taking trades. Look at this gold. What a stink face. Gold, I like long off 77. It missed my target by a stinking tick. 22 handles. Nice job, Frank. Anybody still running NASDAQ, guys, to my final area about 32, maybe 31.50? Okay, let's call it 31 quarter. $15-minute just broke. Long, current candle. We should get to 34, 33, 34 on a 15-minute. That's it, guys. How many trades a day do you need? How many trades a day do you need? One like this. Just one.
Order filled.
That's right. One and done, buddy. One and done. One and done.
Order filled.
Come on, NASDAQ. Should get there, fellas. Let's take a look at it now with numbers. Got almost 1,000 buyers, right? And it looks like we're going to come back into VWAP. This really should have gotten to 25 before we failed. Support is still that 98 area. I want to see it now hold VWAP and make another move. Got 800 buyers. Come on, NASDAQ. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Get back above 16. And our bot is close to that target. There it is. Oh my God, one tick again. Are you kidding me? One tick? One tick. There it is. Oh, again. Come on, the pressure's all to the downside. You can't go one more tick? Seriously? All right.
Target filled.
NASDAQ's coming. I'm out of 2, break even. I don't want to have to watch it. I don't want to have to watch it. Here we go, guys. Got buyers. We're at 1,100 net buyers. Got some resistance here. I can see it. I know Sang. 1,200, moving in on 1,200. We should go to 3,250, right? I'm just below our 68. If my order flow, guys, you guys should be seeing this. Come on, break up. Let's go. It's all buyers, guys, right now. 377, 357. Next candle in, we got another couple minutes, I think. Nope, 10 seconds. Let's go on this candle and go get that final target. Here we go, skis. Upsies we go, skis. Oh, it hit it to the tick. It didn't. Out. Target filled. Target filled. Done. Now we wait. Now we wait. Right? Grazie, Marco. Grazie. Next level up. If we get above here, we trade 58. I know. Let's trade the ES because it's totally liquid. It's totally liquid. Hasn't moved 5 points. Everybody good on that? Everybody good, fellas? Okay. Everybody made money. Everybody made money, yes? Now we got a short on the RTY. Okay, guys. Morning, Ken. Come on, Russell, don't be a chump. Russell's going to be a long, fellas. We got a positive delta. We bounced off VWAP. This is a terrible trade on the bot. Okay, James. Nice job. Nice job. Now let it, if it's going to pull back, let it pull back. Whatever. I got my targets. We're still kind of gridlocked in a. Nice job, Ray. Nice job. I mean, my money's on longs on the Russell, but I'll let the bot play it. What does that mean, WWCD? What would Charlie do? What is that, WWCD?
Stop fill.
Okay, out on this. Oh, winner, chicken dinner. Got it.
Order filled.
First target's off.
Order canceled.
First target's off. Next target up at 37. Oh, I'm done. I'm out. That's it. 37's next target. 37. That may be the last time we see VWAP today. Still at 1,400 buyers. Next target's up here at 37 if you're still holding. $37's next target. We're getting stuffed here with a seller imbalance. This is holding us here. 1 minute to the next candle, and I think we go. If anybody is long on that trade off 17, your stop has to be 08. First target is hit. 37's your next target. Stop has to be 08. Come on, stink face. Still trailing first trade? Okay, Mimi. Next candle in 55 seconds on a 3 minute. Come on. One more candle, you're going to get your target, that next target up at 37. There it is. Break it up. Next target is, call it 36. Call it 36. Just for conversation's sake. There's 32, 33, 33.
Order filled.
There's 35. 36, call it. We're going back up, guys. Got another bot trade on this Uniranko. Come on. Come on, NASDAQ. Let's go. Come on. Come on, NASDAQ. Sitting. Here we go. There's your 36 target. Next level up, 63. Got to get through 38 or so. 39. We go 63. 63. There, through 39, stacked imbalances.
Target filled.
First target filled on the robot, on the Uniranko. Anybody still holding NASDAQ? Anybody still holding? That may be the last time we see VWAP. Okay, Marco.
Stop filled.
out on this Uniranko, but this trailing stop's useless. It's so small. You're holding to Da Moon. Okay, Mimi. I mean, guys, here's where I think we're going to see today. We're going to see 71 to 75 and then 812 at some point today. I mean, these 15-minute candles are ginormous, the opening two candles. Last two candles, current candle and last candle. Just enormous. Look at these 15-minute candles, fellas. Bots are up 16.11 at this point. 16.11. Look at these candles. These are huge. All right. Let's see what I can do with the extra stupid. Extra slow is it's going to follow the NASDAQ, guys. 86.5. YM is long. YM is long. 82, 81, 83. ES. Hang on. Let me go back to the ES here, guys. On another chart. Yeah, the ES is painful. Long ES. We're above VWAP. 86.50 goes, you get 88.50. 86.50 has to go. If you guys have the patience of Job, it is a long.
The S&P is flat, and being led by shares of Apple, which are up 5% on the day now, 134.15.
Apple's up 5%. 5%. YM, anybody take it? It's going. Anybody take YM? Your first target, call it 23. 30,023. Anybody long YM ski? All right, guys. Damn it. Okay. Call it 23 first target. 30,021. All right, guys. I'm going to take a ES long. I'm going to try ES long. Damn it. He who hesitates loses. I'm sitting at 85.5. I'm not going to get it. Not going to get it. Hesitated. Come on, pull back. Pull back. Couple ticks. Dos más. I waited too long.
Order canceled.
No, we're not going to see VWAP again. I think that's it for the day. It gave us the entry here and back here. That's your bot. I think that's it. Maybe late today, but it's going to 64, 65 next, fellas. Back to 2,000 net buyers. The next long, 47 on the push back up. If you guys want to scalp at it, take off. It's a long in here though, guys. It's not shorts. You got 2,000 almost net buyers. Unfinished at 63 on the NASDAQ. Unfinished at 63 on NQ. Okay. Let it pull back. If it comes back to VWAP, we'll mac it again. We'll mac them again.
Order filled.
Crude just took off. I'm not really paying attention to crude.
Order filled.
NASDAQ shorted again on the Uniranko, guys.
Target filled.
First target filled. Unirenko. Nice job, Glenn. First target off. Unirenko. Come on, give me that second target. That trailing stop will kill me. Get ready for another long.
Target filled.
Second target filled. Unirenko. From where, Marco? From where? What price? 33. That just went up to 47. You took nothing off?
Target filled.
Now we could break VWAP. All three targets hit on NASDAQ on the bot. Bot's tearing it up today, fellas. Tearing it up. Bot is up 29.46. The 3 minutes going to short. 3 minutes going to short at the close of the candle on the NASDAQ. All right, guys. Get ready for a bounce. Come on. We're going lower. I don't know if there's news. I'm not hearing anything. Most of it's come from the Unirenko. Are you running a Unirenko? I'm showing the trades, Paul. I'm showing the trades. Had a couple of gold trades. Your Unirenko should be killing it. Look at this trade. Winner, 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 winner. Hasn't had a losing trade yet. I'm going to try an ES long at 73.50.
Order submitted.
Could come down to that 70. Watch NASDAQ. Not yet. I'd like to see 82 again. We basically came down to here. We didn't quite tag our 68, right? I don't think ES is going to give me that trade.
Order filled.
All right, guys. Got a short on gold on the 15-minute. Short on gold on the 15-minute. NASDAQ is trying for a long. You guys want to scalp trade NASDAQ long? Hang on. Hang on. All right, I'm going to try NASDAQ long.
Order filled.
Okay, first target back up at VWAP. First target back up around 10 to 12.
Order canceled.
Yeah. Hang on.
Order submitted.
First target at 10. Call it 10. Call it 10. Call it 10. Come on, rat dog. That's 6. I said 10. 10. Don't be a scumbag. Come on.
Order
Booyah! Got you 10. Got you 10.
canceled.
That's what I'm saying right there. Next target 17. Next target 17.
Order submitted.
17. And then I'll leave 1. Thank you, Dean. I can roast this NASDAQ 7 ways from Sunday. We could bake it, fry it, deep fry it. Do whatever you want with it. This NASDAQ can kiss my grits. Guys, I'm telling you what, I may not be a very good ES trader, admittedly.
Order canceled.
But there is nobody can trade this NASDAQ better than me. Nobody.
Order filled.
Ain't nobody. Here's another bot trade on the NASDAQ. Here comes 17. Oh, don't you do it. Don't you do it. This son of a pup. Oh my God, one tick. Look at this. 1650, 2 ticks. Troy can't trade. I say it on a recording. Tell that bum.
Order filled.
There you go. 17 filled.
Order canceled.
1 to go. 1 to go. Free B-skis. Free B-skis.
Target filled.
First target off on the bot. Again, another winning trade. Free B-skis. Anybody take that trade? 10, 17 handles. Okay, fellas. I will tell you, this is not a lot of fun trying to trade and manage bots at the same time. It ain't easy.
Order submitted.
3650, next level up.
Order submitted.
Stops in. You've also got a long
Stop filled.
stop filled on what? Oh, NASDAQ. Out on the bot here. Out on the bot. Don't you break below VWAP. Real stop, fellas, here has got to be below 90. Come on, let's go. Get back up there. Gold needs to break down below 74.5. We cleared VWAP, guys. What I need is a 5-minute close above 13.
Order filled.
This is going to take me out. We're short on the 3-minute on the NASDAQ now. The NASDAQ is short 3-minute. Let me turn off that Uniranko before I end up in another trade. So we're short on the 3-minute bot.
Order filled.
That stop should be there. Whoop. Hang on, guys. I'm out here.
Order canceled.
I'm out.
Order canceled.
I'm here. And something else. What the hell else filled? Russell. Russell is long. NASDAQ short on the 3-minute. No, it's not. My apologies. Hang on. NASDAQ went short on this damn bot again. It's on the bot. I don't want to be a trader, Mr. Wizard. Come on.
Target filled.
Target filled. All right, I've had it with this today.
Target filled.
Second target filled.
Order filled.
Shut that son of a bitch off. Methinks this is going to break. Guys, everybody should be making dough. Do I have anybody not making any money? Next candle, I'm watching this NASDAQ. Is there anybody not making money? Anybody not making money? All right, so some of that, Marco, is operator error. Okay, that's operator error, right? That's trade mismanagement. Okay, you can't let a trade be in your favor 20 handles and then ride it all the way down to the basement. You can't do that. If you're trying to hit a home run, you know, worst case scenario is you have to go to break even and or lock in something. You have to. That's all right, John. You're getting your feet wet. Look at it this way. How much money are you up on micros, John? How much are you up on micros? Okay, so my bots are done for the day. So you're up $200 on micros. Honestly, that's a staggering number. That's 2,000 in minis, right? But you're getting your feet wet. Listen, guys, the best thing that you guys can do, especially when you're a newer member, is trade micros, because you get a feel for the speed of execution, being in a trade, the apprehension of being in a trade. And when you've done that for a few weeks or 4 weeks or whatever it might be, then you guys can convert to, minis if you want. But then you have expectations now because you've seen it and done it. There's nothing wrong with making money in micros. We're hanging in here, guys. 800 net buyers, small sellers in here. Don't know if this wants to break lower, but my bots are off. Gold, kiss my grits.
Stop fill.
I'm out. My bots are off. I don't care what gold does. My bots are off.
Stop fill.
All right, guys. You got a long on the NASDAQ? Let me get this out of here. NASDAQ's long back to 16 is what it's looking like. All right, hang on, fellas. Hang on. Small buyers back to 1,000. I got to come through here now. Here's the problem. I know I have a trade long. I know I'm going long. I can see it. I see the buyers. I see where I'm at. Problem is I got to now come through VWAP to trade back up. Okay? Okay? Once I get through VWAP, fellas, we can start looking for, a better trade. 97 is our support. All right, guys. Now I'm wanting a trade, right? Stacked imbalance, little bit, 13.5 for me.
Order submitted.
No, not what I want.
Order canceled.
13.5.
Order submitted.
Come through VWAP. Guys, and I want to say on the record, the fact that I may or may not take a trade does not make it a better trade, a worse trade, whatever. Trade for your accounts. It's not short, guys. Not shorts. 15-minute is fighting the 50. That's all. If it doesn't put me in, it doesn't put me in. No harm, no foul, right? I want to be through VWAP. I got 1,000 net buyers. Gold won't give me a trade. YM is going. YM is going to go. Anybody still holding YM? You're going to get your targets. NASDAQ is slowing down. ES, I don't have a damn, let me see ES. I don't have a trade on ES. I just don't have a trade. Guys, my bots are all off. Up 25.16 and a quarter. I'm done with bots. It's really tough to manage the bots and try to trade and, you know, help you guys simultaneously. It's really tough. I'm going to close this for now.
Order canceled.
Closed for now. Closed for now. We're going to get a trade lower yet. ES is trying. Yeah. Yeah, I agree, Ray. We're going to come lower, it looks like, guys. A little bit of support here, but I think we're coming down a little bit. And if it pops back up, no harm, no foul. We're holding this area, but I don't know that we do. I think we're coming down. My only long in this area, fellas, is back through VWAP, unless I breach here, and that looks like it's now going to act as support. I'd like to see us tag it or breach it and come back up through. That would be our long. Or we go through VWAP, and it's the same trade, 13.5 maybe. That's the only thing I can do. If you guys have made your money, take your dough, call it a day. We've had some enormous trades. Yeah, 23, 24, 25.
Order submitted.
I put it back on at 13.5. It's got to come through VWAP. That's the only place I want that trade now. I mean, you could take it in here with a stop at 88. If you guys want to take the long and jump it, your stop is 88. I'm not interested in that, but 97 is trying to hold. I got sellers in here again. I want it through VWAP, or it's got to come all the way down. There it goes. Buying them back. Buying them back. Come on, dog. You could really take it at 12 if you want. Yeah, you could take it at, you could take it at 12 quarter. I'm a little bit late on the trade, but I'll spot you the 3 ticks. See, it won't break VWAP. Still have 975 buyers, guys. We're consolidating here in a small area between 1 standard deviation and VWAP. Now we're going to go.
Order filled.
Now we're going to go. So let me get this out of here. Let me get this out of here. Let me cancel that. Let me do 3.
Order submitted.
Let me get my first target in, and I want to be somewhere. I don't want that as a target, guys. I want to be about 33. First target, 33. Got to come through 24. Got to come through 24. First target at 33. I got a whole shoot ton of resistance at 24. Whole shoot ton on a 3-minute. Got to get through that swing at 23 quarter, 23 half. We should back up to 1,350 net buyers. Now, again, if you guys have made your day, you want to consider what you're doing, right? $35.75. I should be good up here at my 33 target. Got to blast through that swing. We're fighting all this. If we come through this resistance, it's going to be a zippity doo dah. If not, take some money and get the hell out of Dodge. It's been as high as 21. 7, 8 handles. Not a bad trade. It's $240 a contract, guys. We're fighting this damn guys. If we can get through this swing at 23, 24 up here, this thing's going. Where is my? Oh, I canceled my stop. My stop is 97. 97. Boom, 500 buyers. See where we stopped? If we break that, kiss her goodbye. Bye. Goodbye. Goodbye. Doo-dee, doo-doo-doo. Da-dee-dee-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. Ba-do-doo-doo. Da-da. Go get my target. Don't be its. Come on. Huge. Thank you, Ray. Personal best, 23-inch brown. The one I lost 3 weeks ago dwarfed that fish. Dwarfed it. The one I lost 3 weeks ago had to be 30, 32 inches. Had to be 6, 7 pounds. Big would have been by far the biggest fish I ever caught. Stream fishing. I'm not talking about fishing in the rivers. Come on. Here we go. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. You're through. It's a no-brainer. If you guys want money, take money. 13 to look at this rat bag. 16 handles. Come on, one more candle here, and it's Dunsky. Come on, let's go. There it comes. Got your target on the YM, fellas. There's my new candle, 30 range candle. We're at 29. I want my target. I want my MTV. Come on, stinker. Uh-oh. 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 Oh. Ah. Did that hit my damn target to the tick? 2 contracts traded at 33.75. It sure did. 2 contracts. There it is. Again, 12, 13 traded there. Look at this sumbitch. Come on. You guys might want to take some risk off. I mean, we hit target. You only had 13 cars traded, 33 half. Missed it by a damn tick. Guys, it should get to 36. That target should be good. Look at this. Rat bag. Seriously.
Order filled.
Booyah, baby. Booyah. Another home run.
Order canceled.
Do this all day long. Another home run. Another home run. Guys, if you guys aren't up freaking 4 figures, you guys are doing something wrong.
Order filled.
Seriously. Thank you, Dean. All right, Brian. See you tomorrow, man. All right, so what do we want to do now? Where do we take our next? My next target's about 49. Call it 4.
Order submitted.
There you go. Next target up there. Awesome, Bill. Good, good. See you tomorrow, Chris. Guys, if you're not making money, I mean, seriously, we have filleted them today. Again, filleted them. If you're not making money, tell me why. Nice job, Glenn. Nice job. Take your dough over 4 figures. Take your money and run. I mean, fellas, seriously. We are raping these guys for 15, 20, 30, 40 handle trades. Got to get through the 68 level here, fellas. Got to get through 36, 37. We get through that 37 area, we are going to that target. Here's what we're sticking on, okay? Let me just show you what I'm watching. I'm watching a naked chart. This is a 20-period moving average right here that we're pushing. 20-period moving average, right? So I get another 15-minute candle in almost 6 minutes. My next candle should take this sucker long and strong. Okay? And then I'll try, if we can get that next target out, then we try to hold one. Long ES if you want a small trade on ES. I'd be a little late, but it's going. It's going to follow NQ, guys. If NQ breaks up here, 37, above the 68, we go. Upsies, we goesies.
Top now, we got the Treasury's 40-week bill announcement.
Nice job, John. Nice job.
Order submitted.
This zone I want to see hold 23. Small sellers in here, 1,800 buyers again. Boy, the volatility has just been brutal today, hasn't it? Brutal. Up and down, up and down, up and down. I'd say we handled it pretty well. Meanwhile, other rooms are drawing lines on charts.
Forbes K-Press has planned for 30-minute COVID testing in England concerns about accuracy.
30-minute tests in England have been halted over the accuracy of the test. Gold is shorting. Where the hell is the dollar index? Oh, big bid. We got a bid in the dollar today. You know, lines on charts. Got to get above 37, guys, and we go. Nice job. Tony's up $460 trading 4 micros. That's enormous. All right, we're pulling overhead down. Damn, Ray, you're missing something spectacular. Come on, NASDAQ, let's go. Got lower highs here, guys, off resistance. We could pull back in here to VWAP against. So, but we've hit, 2 targets. The only way I get those other targets now is I've got to break above my 68. I have net buyers over 1,000 on the delta. I'm back above my 68. I have 2 minutes left in this candle, and we're kind of putzing around in here. We're not doing anything. And this is going to go to a stop. That's what I'm saying. You guys want to trade small. Come on, buyers. Lost the buyers. As long as we maintain the 68, we're good. We're fighting resistance, guys, in the seller imbalance all the way up to 06. If I can get above 97, 98, this is going to go. That's my line in the sand. Now, again, I cautioned you guys. If I take losing trades, fellas. Got to get back above 96. I don't think we come below 79. That's a 100 period on a 15-minute. I don't think we lose 79. Come on, dog. Pump it up. Got 95, 96, 100 buyers. Come on. There's some buyers. 150 buyers. One more candle, and I'm telling you, she gonna go. It's gonna have to get above 98. Above 98, I'm gonna get my target. I may even get back to 16. There we go. Come on, dog. 160 buyers. Let's go, Ratatouille. Yeah, it's got to get above 98. If it gets above 98, it's going. If it gets above 98, it's going. That's all I can tell you. 98 is the number. That's the Rubicon here, fellas. Above 98, it's going to go. If you guys want to take some ticks, if you guys are anxious, you want to keep your money, it's your prerogative. But I like this a whole lot better above 98. Yeah, I'm with you, Ray. I agree. 98's the number. Oh my God, did gold sell off? Oh my God, down to 68. I shorted 75.5 and covered it. Coming into the top of the hour, fellas. It's got to get above 98, guys. We're consolidating. Again, I don't know that this trade works or not, but trading is probabilities. If we get above 98, this trade is good. Lower high. This could fail here once and then bounce, but 98's the number.
Order submitted.
If that goes, this goes. I mean, it's holding, guys, at the 68. We're coming in. Oh, my God. Gold is getting ratcheted. What an idiot. I'd be up 10 handles.
The state of Georgia, Secretary of State Ratzenberger saying that he's launching a probe to combat illegal voting in the state.
Ratzenberger launching a probe in Georgia to combat illegal voting. There you go, guys. Through 98. What did I tell you? First target where? VWAPSKI. VWAPSKI. Call it 9. Call first target 9. I don't want to sell that.
Order canceled.
Call it 9.
Order submitted.
There's first target. We got a nice trade. We got to 550. Going to VWAP, guys. 11 quarter. If you guys want your money, take your money. Your prerogative. My stop loss is 84. If you guys want your money, take your money. Just, we're coming into the top of the hour here. Europe closes in 30 minutes, and this is where we tend to get a little screwy. My target would be 10 half, and then 16.
Order submitted.
Those are my targets. Again, if you guys want dough, take your dough. Okay? I need 2 more candles here to get home. There's one. One more 30 range candle. And then I got to run. Troy Epperson's going to teach me how to trade. Clown. I need one more candle. At 300 buyers, I got 400 net buyers. Again, if you guys want your money, take your money. No. No longs here on gold. No. A little bit lower on gold. Credit Reserve taking action against Credit Suisse. Eli, if I'm not being too disrespectful, would you mind if I finish this one trade? I appreciate that. Come on, you piece of crap. What was that bounce for? We got up to 5.25. This is the minutia of Europe close. This is the minutia of Europe close. It bounced off the 34. All right, guys, I'm killing the trade. Piece of crap.
Order filled.
All right, fellas, I'm out and done. Money's made. That was a great trade. Hey, guys, listen, I would ask you, I know you guys are anxious and all, trigger happy and whatnot. I apologize. When I'm in a trade and I'm helping several hundred people in the room attempt to make money, please don't ask me about something I'm not in. I don't care. I'm not in it. I do not care. Please refrain. If I'm not in a trade, you guys want to ask, I'll answer anything. But
The euro trader view lows of the days 121.65. Cable also on the intersection lows.
Jesus, gold. You can try a gold long if you want down here. My entry would probably be 66.7. Your stop has to be 63. It's your prerogative. I'm not interested in gold. I mean, it's gotten whack-a-mole. Guys, everybody should have had a phenomenal day. This is for my members. Pay attention to member Skype. If they sell this thing off, fellas, that'll be great for us. And we'll look for the long once we get out of Europe at 11:30. I mean, I'd love to see them sell it off. They sold it down to here. Here is today's bot total. $2,816.25. 28.16 and a quarter.